Hello, welcome to your math learning. We are going to be discussing multiplying and dividing powers and exponents. This is a very short little lesson. It's not very long, but it's a lesson that you guys will understand. Going on here, we have multiplying monomials. So monomials or numbers with exponents. What you do first, if you want to write these out, if you look at the extended version of each of these, you have 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 to the third power, and then 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4, which is 4 to the fifth power. So here, when you're multiplying numbers with exponents, what do? Well, you keep the base, and then you just add the exponent. So this is actually 4 to the 8th power. And then once you multiply 4 8 times, it does give you 65,536. So when you multiply numbers when you're multiplying numbers that are the same and have exponents, all you have to do is add the exponents and keep that base. And these are called bases. So if the bases are the same, just multiply the exponents. If the bases are the same, multiply the exponents. And the 4s are known as your base. All right? Here, once again, you have where the bases are the same, which is 6. And then if you was to write this out, once again, or write it out in an extended version, you would have 6 in one parenthesis, then you would have 4 6s in another parenthesis. So altogether, you have 5 6s, which is 7,776. So what can you see for multiplying exponents? When they have the same base, you add the exponents. Okay. Here, once again, keep the base because the base is the same, and you add the exponents, which give you 5 to the 5th power, or 3,125. And the bases are the same, so you would keep the base. And you have 12 to the 4th power, which is 20,736. Okay? Multiplying, if they're just variables, same thing. Keep the base and just add the exponents. Okay, same concept. Now here, are the bases the same? No, the bases are not the same. So you multiply the bases. So it'd be 2 times 8, which is 16. And then you keep the variable and you add the exponent. So you have 16 and x to the 7. So you would, because these are not the same, you have to multiply them. The bases are different here. So this is 16. Okay, 16, and then you add the exponents with, okay. Once again, the bases are the same, so you keep the base even though it's negative. Keep the base. And it will be negative n to the 5th power. Here you have 5 and negative 3. You multiply the bases, which is 5 and negative 3, which will give you negative 15. And negative 15a, and how many a's do you have altogether? 6, so it would be negative 15a to the 6th power. Now we're here to dividing the monomials. So when you are dividing monomials, the thing here is now that you have a thing of subtracting. When dividing monomials, you still keep the base, but now you're subtracting the exponents. What do I mean? Here we go. So you have, if you write it out in extended form, you have 5 8s, and then 3 8s on the denominator. And if you look at how this works, when you're dividing You're seeing how many times it goes into one another. So you can, simplify that. And how many eights do you have left? 2. So it'd be 8 squared. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So 8 squared is 64. Okay. Same here. You would simplify it or just subtract the exponents. And here you have 3 3's left, which 3 cubed is 27. So what rule can you see when you're dividing exponents? When you're dividing exponents, you subtract the exponents. Okay? Here, the bases are the same. So you have x to the 7th and x to the 3rd. You would keep it, the bases, and you have 4 x's left, so it'll be x to the 4th. Here, once again, keep the bases and subtract the exponents. So you have negative 4 squared. And that is it. Then that's practically what you need to know to complete your assignment that goes with this. There's a couple situations, real life situations attached to the assignment as well. Just take your time, refer back to this. I did attach some Khan Academy videos for the week, so please take your time and go through everything. Come back to this if you need it. And I look forward to seeing your progress in class and enjoy your week.